Agriculture in the Philippines employs 30% of the Filipino workforce as of 2013, according to the World Bank statistics. Agriculture accounts for 12% of Filipino GDP as of 2013, according to the World Bank. But in the Philippines, the agricultural sector is not paid much attention. Poverty in the rural areas and landlessness are the major problem in the Philippine agriculture sector. The average daily wage of a farmer is $6 versus the national average of $10. This shows that the agricultural sector is not being paid much attention. The agricultural sector in the Philippines must be developed, otherwise it will not be possible to feed 98 million Filipinos. How is this problem can be solved? With the enforcement of the program CARP, which is Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program. Now what is CARP? CARP, a government initiative that aims to grant landless farmers and farm workers ownership of agricultural land. It was signed into law by President Corazon Aquino on June 10, 1988. CARPER, or the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program Extension with Reforms, is a mandatory law that extends yet again the deadline of distributing agricultural lands to farmers for 5 years. It also amends other provisions stated in CARP. CARPER was signed into law on August 7, 2009. What are the beneficiaries of CARP? Landless farmers, including agricultural lessees, tenants, as well as regular, seasonals, and other farm workers. The Department of Agrarian Reform, that is DAR, identifies and screens potential beneficiaries and validates their qualifications. For example, to qualify, you must be at least 15 years old, be a resident of barangay where the land holding is located, and own no more than 3 hectares of agricultural land. The government offices involved in the program are DAR, the Department of Agrarian Reform, DENR, Department of Environment and Natural Resources. An estimated 7.8 million hectares of land is covered by CARP. As of December 31, 2013, the government has acquired and distributed 6.9 million hectares of land, equivalent to 88% of total land subject to CARP. From July 2010 to December 2013, the administration has distributed the total of 7,51,514 hectares, or 45% of total land holdings, to be distributed to the farmer beneficiaries left under this administration. From this, DAR has distributed 4,12,782 hectares and DENR has distributed 3,38,732 hectares. The land the government still need to acquire for distribution from 2014 to 2016. DAR still need to acquire 7,71,795 hectares, while the DENR still needs to acquire 1,34,857 hectares, a total of 9,06,652 hectares. In other words, agrarian reform allows one to live a life with dignity, and a simple farmer is the only sum make the world a difference.